Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro. Today we're going to talk a little bit about drains. You find them in pretty much every single RV and trailer out there. Where exactly do you find them? Well, you usually find them in your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, and your shower pan specifically. Why do we have so many drains? Well, because when we wash dishes or ourselves or what have you, that dirty water has to go somewhere, and that's what the drain does. Here at RecPro, we have quite a wide variety of different drains for different applications. We have smaller drains as well as small drain stoppers that are ideal for smaller sinks, such as your bathroom sink or possibly an outdoor sink. We have tons of different colors, not all of which are viewed here. We, of course, have our brushed nickel and our white. We also have matte black. So we have a wide variety of colors to suit your specific needs. And our drains are also made out of different materials, from more lightweight PVC plastics, heavier duty and more durable metals, such as these right here. They're typically pretty easy to install, and they come in a wide variety of different sizes. I believe we have drains ranging from 1 1/4 inch diameter to 4 1/2 inch diameter. So it's pretty easy to find what you need depending on what you're looking for. Drains are pretty easy to install, and they're a vital and necessary component to any plumbing system in your RV or trailer. Apparently we forgot to do the outro, so like this video if you like it, and remember to subscribe if you'd like to see more of what we have to offer in the future, including new products, how-tos, and instructions. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.